Hello, I'm Anthony Hughes. Welcome to this short video that will show you how to download and install Dorico. The email you received after setting up your Steinberg ID will have a link to download the Steinberg Download Assistant. Once complete, open the file and follow the instructions to install the software. When you run the Steinberg Download Assistant, you will be prompted to sign in. This happens via your web browser, where you can enter your Steinberg ID, email, and password. When you click Next, you'll be shown a prompt, and choosing Allow will take you back to the Steinberg Download Assistant. In the My Product Downloads category, click on the Dorico icon. Then choose Install All. It's important to install all components, as Dorico needs them to facilitate playback. This process will likely take some time, as there are several large files to download. The Steinberg Download Assistant will indicate progress on each individual component, and you should wait until green success indicators are shown next to each item. You can now quit the Steinberg Download Assistant. Launch the Dorico application that you will find in Program Files on Windows or your Applications directory on Mac. You must activate your software before you can start using it. Do this by clicking Sign In, which will take you back to your web browser. As long as you haven't signed out of your Steinberg account from earlier, you can simply click Allow. Otherwise, sign in using your Steinberg ID, email, and password as before. The software will now be activated, and you can safely quit the Steinberg Activation Manager. Dorico will now open and is ready for use.